Want to become a DJI Academy certified drone pilot? Go to the official website of UTC and DJI Academy, www.uastc.com. Then select the country or region where you are located. First of all, you need to sign up for an account, fill all the required information and click Sign Up. After signing up, please log into your account. Under the section of Courses, select the course you prefer to learn. On the course page, click Register Now. Select the DJI Academy Training Center you prefer to go, fill in all the required information and confirm to register. After registering for the course, the training center you selected will contact you to confirm your registration and guide you through the steps to pay for the course. You can also contact the training center through the contact information listed. Once you have paid for the course, your drone pilot training starts. The training includes two parts, the theory learning and practice training. In the theory part, you'll get access to lectures that teach you all the concept and basics you need to know. After the theory learning, you'll take the theory test on our online exam center. Make sure you have chosen the same country or region and click Exam Center on the upper right to go to take the theory test. In the practice part, you'll be trained with the basic flight exercises, advanced flight skills, emergency operations, and scenario application. After the practice training, you'll take a practice operation assessment by your instructor. Once you pass the theory test and the practice assessment, then, congratulations, you will be presented with a DJI Academy certificate. Join DJI Academy today. Make your passion becomes profession.